Hi, I'm Yuan.
Hey, I'm Tekson.
And I am Wong. The game we choose for today's presentation is called Muck.
Muck is a multiplayer survival game developed by a one-man developer, Danny. It is released on Steam on 5th of June 2020. Today, we are going to run a heuristic evaluation on this game. Firstly, visibility of system status. This game did a good job at this as you will get feedback for everything you did. For the interface, there will be a hover over function which will change the color of the font when you hover over the button. There will also be a click sound effect when the user presses the button. Next, the game is easy to understand as it uses modern natural language for the game, which is English in this case. The game also follows the common sense of the modern real world using natural mapping. For example, when you click right for these settings, it will increase the graphics, and left will decrease the graphics. This game does not offer a good user control for the users. For example, if the user accidentally crafted an item, the user will not be able to get back the raw materials. This is a problem for new users as they might not be an experienced survival game player, so they might need some time to get used to the crafting interface. The interface design of Muck is consistent with what the majority of the other games' interface design. For example, the use of words host lobby, join lobby, settings, and in here, gameplay, controls, graphics, video, audio. These are all words that the other games have been using for a long time. This means that the user doesn't have to think twice about what the function of the button is.
Muck used easy to understand words to explain to the user why they get an error. For example, when I press Join Lobby without a correct lobby ID, it will display an error message while also provide a solution for the user. Next, Muck applies the error prevention by not allowing the user to press a certain button. For example, when the user does not have enough raw materials to craft an item, the item's icon will be darkened even if you hover over to the item, and will not have any effect when you press them. This game does not do a good job for recognition. For the inventory interface and also the crafting interface, there are no instructions at all, even if you are a first-time user. This forces the user to learn the UI themselves and also to remember how to use the UI after that.
The interface of the Muck is not flexible as both novice and expert users only have one same way to accomplish their tasks. For example, crafting a table, which the only way to do so is through opening the inventory interface and press the icon. Both beginner and expert will be using the way to craft a table which is not flexible. With just a few options to select, user can easily see and figure out what every button functions is in the menu. The design of the buttons is also very minimalistic as there are no other cosmetic of sort, only the frame and the word. Lastly, the help and documentation of this game is not existent, so users will have to try and get help by using Google if they ever run into any trouble.
That is all from us. Thank you for watching this video.